Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and expert insights into the latest supercars. If you love high-performance vehicles and want to stay updated on the newest releases, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the brand new 2025 Ferrari Chocolate. This latest masterpiece from Ferrari blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into an irresistible package that car enthusiasts have been eagerly waiting for. Ferrari has once again pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering with the 2025 Ferrari Chocolate. This model represents a perfect fusion of speed, design, and innovation, bringing an exhilarating driving experience that only Ferrari can deliver. Under the hood, the Ferrari Chocolate boasts a high-performance V12 engine that delivers astonishing horsepower, ensuring breathtaking acceleration and top-tier speed. Ferrari has also worked extensively on refining aerodynamics, making this car not only faster but also more stable at high speeds. Advanced airflow management ensures optimal downforce, allowing for improved cornering and handling even on the most challenging roads. The design of the 2025 Ferrari Chocolate is nothing short of spectacular. The sleek, sculpted bodywork exudes sophistication while maintaining an aggressive stance that demands attention. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted to enhance both aesthetics and performance. The front fascia features a distinctive grille design, seamlessly integrating with the sharp LED headlights that add a modern touch. The rear of the car is equally stunning, with signature Ferrari taillights and a perfectly sculpted diffuser that enhances aerodynamics. Every aspect of this design has been engineered with performance in mind, ensuring that the Ferrari Chocolate not only looks stunning but also delivers unmatched driving dynamics. Step inside the cabin, and you are greeted with an interior that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The Ferrari Chocolate's cockpit is designed to provide the ultimate driving experience, featuring a driver-centric layout with intuitive controls and premium materials. High-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and advanced digital displays create an environment that is both comfortable and performance-oriented. The latest infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and other essential features effortlessly. Ferrari has also integrated advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety and provide additional support for those pushing the limits on the road. Performance is where the 2025 Ferrari Chocolate truly shines. With an advanced suspension system and precision-engineered chassis, this car delivers an exhilarating yet controlled ride. The responsive steering provides exceptional feedback, allowing drivers to feel connected to the road like never before. Whether on the track or cruising through city streets, the Ferrari Chocolate offers an unmatched blend of power and agility. The upgraded braking system ensures confidence-inspiring stopping power, further enhancing the driving experience. Ferrari's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of this car, from the advanced engine management system to the cutting-edge aerodynamics that maximize efficiency and performance. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Ferrari Chocolate is its exclusivity. Ferrari is known for producing limited edition models that cater to enthusiasts who appreciate the finest in automotive engineering. Owning one of these machines is not just about driving but about becoming part of a legacy that spans decades of motorsport excellence. The attention to detail and craftsmanship that goes into every Ferrari is unmatched, making each model a true work of art. The Ferrari Chocolate continues this tradition by offering a unique combination of power, luxury, and innovation that sets it apart from anything else on the market. If you are a true car enthusiast, the 2025 Ferrari Chocolate is a model that deserves your attention. With its breathtaking performance, stunning design, and state-of-the-art technology, this car is set to become a legend in the world of supercars. Whether you are considering adding one to your collection or simply admiring its engineering brilliance, there is no denying that Ferrari has once again created something extraordinary. Thank you for watching and exploring the incredible 2025 Ferrari Chocolate with us. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content on the latest supercars, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the most exciting car reviews and updates, so stay tuned for more amazing content. See you in the next video.